In this video, you'll learn how to schedule a Wecasa service from start to finish. By following these steps, you will be able to book a service, whether it be for massage, hair, beauty, or cleaning, directly through the Wecasa platform. Begin by navigating to the Wecasa website. Once the page loads, locate and click on the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. If prompted, enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your Wecasa dashboard. Next, look for the service categories displayed prominently on the dashboard. You will see options such as massage, hair, beauty, and cleaning. Click on the category that corresponds to the service you wish to schedule. This action will take you to a new page showcasing the specific services available within that category. After selecting a service category, browse through the list of specific services offered. Click on the service that meets your needs. Upon selection, a detailed description of the service will appear, along with pricing information and available time slots. Once you have chosen your specific service, the next step is to enter your full address. This information is crucial as it helps the service provider reach you. Fill in the required fields for your address accurately and double check for any errors before proceeding. Following the address entry, you will be prompted to choose a date for your appointment. A calendar interface will appear, allowing you to select your preferred date. After selecting a date, you will then be able to choose a time for your appointment from the available options displayed. After selecting the time, review the price and information carefully. Make sure to confirm that the total cost matches your expectations. If everything looks correct, proceed to choose your payment method. You will typically have options such as credit card or other electronic payment methods. Once your payment method is selected, click on the Book My Session button to finalize the appointment. This action will initiate the booking process. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your session has been successfully booked. Finally, return to your dashboard to check the confirmation of your appointment. You should see the details of your scheduled service listed clearly. It is advisable to review these details to ensure everything is in order before your appointment date.